Pagkat kita lang semangat itu kan. Menonton Burritos fried chicken. Ada. Saya sebut Burritos. I like semangat semangat. Jadi jangan kasih lama lah kan orang bilang. Without any further ado, we going to start our first.
Right?
Ya, semua dulu.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for All Stars match? So sekali lagi, are you ready for the All Star match? Right. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin the All-Star Match. Let's welcome Group 1, cosplaying from Dungeons and Dragons Greyhawk City. Cast Von Levenhoff, cosplaying as the Eladrin High Elf Rogue. Also welcoming to the stage, Mian, cosplaying as Kana, the Halfling Druid.
Alright, thank you, Group 1, Cass and Mian. And now we're going to move on to our next group, Group number 2. Calling on Yusia, cosplaying as Frieren from Beyond Journeys and Ami, cosplaying as Mama from the Apocalyptic Diary. Noel, cosplay as Ryu Tomioka from Kimetsu no Yaiba. And Romeo, cosplay as Inosuke from Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Alright, make sure to get a good photo. Alright, thank you, Group 2. Next up, Group 3, cosplaying from Bleach. Let's welcome Mr. Hokage Sabahan, cosplaying as Kaname Tosen. Next up, Yan Manjiro, cosplaying as Sosuke Aizen. And thirdly, Jiko, cosplaying as Gin Ichimaru.
Alright, up next, group number 4. Let's go on. Aiden, cosplay from a character from Squid Game. Anis, cosplay as Masaru Dasai Dark Era. Joe, cosplay as Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. And also Akil, cosplay as Mono from Little Nightmare.
Step forward. 5, cosplaying from Hawkeye Star Rail. Let's welcome Cassie Kevin, cosplaying as Blade. Next is Chi Nick Koo, cosplaying as Dan Heng.
Alah, malfunction sudah.
Alright. Going to move on to our next group, group number 6. Up next, Red Bull, cosplay as Beep, character from Beep. Next is Zari, cosplay as Hinako from Silent Hill F. Now next, Cassie Anastasia Rainer, cosplay as Zari the Kevin. It's the original character.
Alright, thank you so much, Group 6. Now let's move on to Group 7. First off, Muhammad Darish Farhan, cosplaying as Ranger from Call of Duty. Next up to the stage, Jackie, cosplaying as Ready or Not. From Ready or Not.
Sorry lah kalau terbuka.
Next up on the stage, Darvish Zaman, cosplaying as NCR Veteran Ranger from Fallout New Vegas. Next up, NK, cosplaying as Ada Wong from Resident Evil.
Oh, yang bukan saya monster. Ya, sudah je. Itulah.
And Jackie, cosplaying as Leon S. Kennedy from Resident Evil.
Alright, thank you, group number 7. And we are going to move on to our next group, group number 8. And also the final group for this first acara pada hari ini. Alright, group number 8. First, Guns Born, Kazama Highland, cosplay as King of Monster from Ultimate Arc Series. Up next, Lord Zed, cosplay as Gordy Wu, Sentai Gozyuger. And also cosplay as Kamen Rider 01, both of them. Dia Sakura, cosplay as Izu, and also Hardy, cosplay as Kamen Rider 01.
Alright, thank you so much, group number 8. And next up, very cute characters. I would like to welcome to the stage the YOLO mascots. Thank you so much, YOLO, for sponsoring us. I would like to introduce to you Malia,
Alah.
very cute pink bear, and also Mario.
to, yun ang mascot.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, YONO will be hosting their own adventure today at Hobbycon called YONO Sekai. To know more, please visit the YONO booth. Please visit the YONO booth for more information. Get yourself some freebies, complete submissions, and get rewards. Alright, look at our cute mascots.
Gila, gila lang. Full body suit, ano? Gila.
Alright, thank you so much to our YONO mascots. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please be sure to check out the YONO booth for the YONO adventure. Alright, we are coming to the end of our All-Star March. Let's give some time for our mascots to go downstage. Next up is our final group for the All-Star March. So please get your cameras ready, because this one is a spectacular group. Alright, is our final group ready? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage our final group, our guests for Hobbycon 2025. First up is our cosplay guest, Le Josette, cosplaying as Judy Hopps from Zootopia 2. Alright, next up is also our cosplay guest, Wen Zi, cosplaying as Yoimiya from Genshin Impact. And last but not least, I would like to welcome Team WCS Malaysia, Team Kuramaker, King Rushidi and Nekota, cosplaying as Ryu Hayabusa and Akigano from Ninja Gaiden. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to take a lot of photos of our guests for Hobbycon 2025.
Macam tester dyan yung paling kuat dari tadi.
Alright, may I welcome all of our participants to step on stage. Our guests, may you please, let's take a group photo together.
From
Also, we would like to invite Z Fighter to join up on stage together with our guests. Dan separuh daripada cosplay kita boleh terus ke depan sini. Also, we're going to invite one of our guests, Pokemon Terry, to join for the photo session.
okay, dapat. Goddamn, pumihan. Ini mo, 05. Every white. Aling white sila. Ay. 18.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please be ready with your cameras. Let's take
Okey, dan sebelum cosplayer kita beredar, kita ingin membawa semua kepada mereka yang berada di sini, terutama sekali cosplayer kita yang ada di sini. Jikalau anda dengar lagu ini, kamu tahu apa mau buat?
Hai.
Kepada semua cosplayer yang ada di atas stage, kita bawa kita punya guest bersuara sedikit. Alright, kasih semasa tren dulu.
Guys, siapa yang tahu sumasahol, come and join.
Ya,
Jatuh stage.
ajak dulu dong sama-sama.
Apa boleh mati ni saja? Itu saya dah boleh buat-buat.
Alright, ikut sipit. Sambung.
Oh, dia sudah dah boleh. Nampak pun dia boleh. Dia pusing.
Let's invite our guests to join our sumasahol train.
Yes, penting.
Everybody say hey.
Kasihan monster kita.
Alright, thank you so much our visitor audience and our
Sudah
guests
bergerak.
for joining us for the sumasahol train. Alright, may I ask, thank you so much for the participants for your amazing cosplays for the All-Star match. Please, you may step down and take a rest. Thank you so much, everyone. Give them a round of applause.
Ya, terbuka kepada peserta All Star Mas, terutama sekali cosplay guest kita, Lee Joseph.
Lee Joseph.